In today's video we show you how you can clean up the start menu on your LG TV and put it back in order. Let's go. I'm sure your start menu looks like any other. You have hundreds of apps, you have video recommendations and much more. Totally confusing, and you left it that way because you got used to it. But that doesn't have to be, because you can adjust the start menu according to your wishes. And you can hide everything that is here, this sport, gaming and much more, or even uninstall it. And we'll show you that in today's video. We start with the top category, all the things we don't need here, such as sport, gaming and the other things. You can hide everything here, move everything, according to your wishes, you can do whatever you want with it. And that's very easy, you just have to hold down the OK button for a long time, that's the button in the middle. And now you have the option to either move this tile or you can completely hide it so that you can no longer see it. So hold down the OK button for a long time and then you can move it to the desired position with the arrow keys, wherever you want it, on which place. Or you can completely hide it, like me, by pressing this I here, then the whole thing is hidden. Of course, you can show it to you again at any time, but so that it no longer disturbs in the start menu, so that it is a bit clearer, you can do it comfortably here. Many of you probably didn't know, but at least it gives you a little overview here so that it is no longer so complicated, and that's what the whole thing looks like. I only left the tiles that I need. In the second step we will uninstall or hide the tiles, the apps. Many can also be uninstalled here, which many do not know. Here, too, select the tile you want to remove, press the OK button in the middle for a long time and you have the option to either uninstall or hide it. If an app is not to be uninstalled because it is a pre-installed one, then the paper basket does not appear here at all. So press the app for a long time, then hide or uninstall. I will uninstall all that I don't need and I will hide those that cannot be uninstalled by pressing this I. Of course, you can also change the position here with the arrow keys. What does that mean? You really have all the options here. Unhide the app, uninstall or even change the position. This is also possible. I will continue with the external apps that I don't need here, by unhiding or uninstalling them. Because I want to have order in my start menu. It's really a lot from home. A lot is pre-installed here, like with other manufacturers. Apps that you never use or never need. And I will uninstall these. This not only ensures that I have an overview. No, the TV also gets faster because you get rid of the whole ballast here. So I will uninstall and hide a few apps here. And then we go to the last point. And the last point ensures that everything is really gone here. To do this, go to the settings, to the gear wheel, again to the gear wheel. Then you have to scroll down to General here in the menu. Then to the right. And here is the next point, and this one is called Settings. And to Additional Settings. And if you are here, then there are Start Time Settings. And we have to go there. And here you have to remove the following points. This is Home Promotion and Content Recommendations. And with that you have almost really hidden everything here. If we look at the start page now, you will see that everything has disappeared here. We now only have the apps that we use. The whole thing is more clear and easier to set up. Do you have any questions? Use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.